Hello, my dear student, this is the question asked in JEE 2025 chemistry examination. We will discuss how to solve this equation. Here the conversion value is given as E naught value is given. E naught value is given 2 volt for this conversion. 2 volt for this conversion. Similarly, Fe3 plus to Fe2 plus 0.08 volt is given. This is also E naught value. We know that one of the familiar equation, we know that del G naught is equal to minus N E naught F. We know that. What is the question? What is the question? Conversion, that is E naught value for this conversion, that is FeO42 minus to Fe2 plus, where it is present during this conversion. What about the E naught value? This is the question. We will discuss one by one. Clear? So first of all I am writing this equation is splitted into FeO4 minus, which is converted into Fe3 plus, which is converted into Fe2 plus. You need not write to Fe0 because it is not question. It is not question. Only the conversion E naught value for this conversion is asked. You need not consider the neutral oxidation state of ion. Neutral oxidation state of ion you do not need. It is not necessary to consider. Okay. So here, what about this value? We have 2 volt. Here 0.8 volt. Here this is noted to be 1. This is noted to be 2. This is noted to be 3. First of all, I consider this one conversion. Here del G1, del G naught is equal to minus N E naught F. Yes, my dear student. What about the conversion? Here the oxidation state of Fe. Yes, oxidation state of Fe is found to be plus 6. So plus 6 to plus 3, plus 6 to plus 3, N value will be 3. N value will be 3. Clear? Then del G2, that is this value. What about this conversion? Minus N E naught F. Okay, here the value of N will be 1. Fe3 plus 2 plus. Number of electrons involved, only one differences 1. Here 6 plus 6 2 plus 3, the differences is 3. Number of electrons involved. But my requirement is del G3. That is given question. Okay. Here I am writing. Minus N E naught F. Here, what about the value we have? Again, plus 6 to 2, we may get N is equal to 4. So, del G3 is equal to del G1 naught plus del G2 naught. Okay, my dear students. Okay, my dear students, you just add this equation. Del G3 is equal to minus N E naught F. Here minus N E naught F. Minus N E naught F. Just add the potential value under the number of electrons. Just add the potential value and the number of electrons. Del G3, how many electrons are involved? Yes, 4. E naught value we are going to find it. We are going to find the E naught value in this equation F. Keep this F as constant. Continue this value as F. Then del G1, what about the N value? Del G1, N is equal to 3. Yes, minus 3, and E naught value for del G1, E naught value for del G1 we may have 2 into parallel. Similarly, del G2, what about the value? 1. What about the E naught value for del G2? Yes, my dear student, 0.8 into F. Okay, clear? So F is taken outside because F is the common factor. We may have 5 into E naught value. F is taken outside. We may have minus 6 Faraday minus 0.8 Faraday. Okay. So if Faraday value is taken minus 6 minus 0.8 Faraday minus 4 E naught value, Faraday value is taken. Cancel this value. We may get, yes my dear students, E naught is equal to minus 6.8 divided by minus 4. Okay, so E naught value will be found to be 1.7 volt. 1.7 volt. So this corresponds to which answer we have? Yes, we may have option 1 will be the correct answer. This is the question asked in JEE 2025 chemistry examination. My name is Kalees and I am handling NEET JEE chemistry classes through online mode. Thank you very much my dear student. Bye.